we will know about how to integrate Shopify with AdMark Blue Tick. So first off, you have to go to navigate to our app in Shopify. Then the point you will visit our page, we will authenticate your with HMAC. Then the page will show welcome authenticate user like this. Then you have to just click the get started button. After you click, there is an option of setup where you have to set up your API key, phone number, ID, and all the templates. The first it will ask for shop name. The shop name will remain as it is same. It is fixed for every time. Okay. Then you have to link the API key. Where you will get the API key? You will get the API key in our AdMark verified portal. You have to just visit our portal, then manage, then API key. You have to just copy the API key. After you copy, you just have to paste in the place of API key as it is. After that, it will ask for phone number ID. Then you have to click same as it is, go to our AdMark verified portal. After that, you have to just go to manage phone number. You have to choose one number. There is option of phone ID. You have to just copy. After that, same as it is, you have to paste in Shopify. Same as it is, phone number ID. There is option of template. Order create, order fulfilled, cart update, and abandoned cart. Now we will discuss about two of this. First is order fulfilled. You have to just go to AdMark portal and select the order fulfilled template. Okay, for now it is for demo. I will show you order fulfilled template. You have to just copy the name as it is and you have to just paste order fulfilled. Now the abandoned cart, you have to same as it is, you have to go to verified AdMark portal and you have to select the template of abandoned cart. Same as it is, you have to paste over here. Now you will click save. After you click save, it will save. After that, we will test the fulfilled order for now. Okay, then you have to go to online store. Then there is option of catalog over here. You have to select any product. Okay, now you have to click to add to cart, then buy now. Okay, check out, you have to click. After that, you have to fill all the details like your address details, shipping address details, where you have to deliver, you want deliver. Okay, your phone number, your address, proper address. Okay, after that there is a option of total amount and you have to place the order. You can see the order has been placed successfully. Now for now, this is a demo panel, so I will order place manually, like fulfill manually. Okay, there is option of orders and I will put fulfill item manually. Okay, then you will receive the WhatsApp of your order has been fulfilled or order has been delivered to the register address or register phone number. You will receive the WhatsApp as well as SMS. Okay, within a seconds. Now we will fulfill the item same as it is. You have to click, then you will, and in a WhatsApp after 15 minutes it will receive like that. Dear customers, you are waiting, you complete the checkout and get your favorite delivered. This is a whole process of AdMark Blue Tick. Okay, how it's work I have already tell you. Okay, thank you.